Hello YouTube. So I will just share some food eating habits that I'm doing now. So compared to my younger years when I was teens to 20s, and it was just recent. I mean, I completely changed recently. It's been almost 5 months, or but it's still changing. So I can't go back to the way I'm I've I've been used into eating too much fast food and junk foods and processed. So, and the big change I've gone to now is I'm eating 5 to 10, even 10, 10, more than 10 bananas a day. So I'm not doing that when I was young. And also I think my parents are not doing that thing even up to to, to their age now. So I think it gives me benefit to it gives benefit to my health condition. So it's good, and I feel a bit stronger, but not like when I was young. I mean, for my age, I feel like I'm one of the strongest compared to my peers. So yes, uh, it's different with my situation. So because my peers are already starting to have grandparents, so I I I, I starting to have grandchildren. So I I'm not I'm not that I'm not in that situation. So I can do exercise and other activities. So my situation is different from others, from compared to my peers. So yes, it's good. It's been my fitness journey is is good, and I hope I can still do some biking and guitar playing and to do some music, guitar instrumental music again.